you press it?
That one, yes, Chandra.
We've got a replica of a secret. Watch what happens with Daria through. There you go. Big round of applause for Nelson, everyone. Thank you. Whoa! You can't have missed that, alright? Randall?
That's a charmer. They fish are another local species.
Well, we do have one Malay fish owl to give to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, I would like all of you to be as quiet as possible so you can get to experience the Alright, thank you very much. Thank you, Dan. The Americans, and they are pretty abundant in the wild, close to about 10 million of them. Now these birds have got excellent